Welcome to the Global Investors Podcast. I'm your host, Charles Carillo. And the Global Investors Podcast is focused on helping international investors invest into U.S. real estate. I started my real estate investing career in 2006 when I purchased a 3-unit multifamily property. And over the next few years, I built that to 11 units, and I self-managed all of them for about 6 years. In 2012, I moved to Florida and hired a professional third-party property management company, and I still own those properties today. During the same time, I was operating an online payment processing company full-time. And when I was running it full-time, I ran into a lot of clients and partners that we had that were based internationally, and they were very interested in investing into U.S. real estate. When they asked me how they could invest into U.S. real estate, I didn't know how. I would search the internet and I would talk to different people, and no one really knew exactly what's the best way, what's the easiest way for an international investor to actually passively invest or directly invest into U.S. real estate. So when we started syndicating properties, I thought I would start the Global Investor Podcast, and it would be an instructional weekly podcast that would help international investors learn from seasoned real estate professionals about how to invest successfully into U.S. real estate. I designed the format to be 25 to 35 minutes long, and we would interview everybody from brokers, lenders, property managers, CPAs, attorneys, pretty much anyone that was involved with U.S. real estate and with foreign investors. And what we have done is that over the next following episodes, we interview all of these professionals, and you can easily find which episode fits for what you're looking for information on. Now, bear with me for the first dozen or so episodes. This is my first time running a podcast, and I'm just a real estate investor with no knowledge. So some of the video might be off, some of the audio might be off, but after about the 20th episode, I really get the hang of it, and I believe it flows a lot more. It's a lot smoother, and I feel that you'll appreciate it more. So listen through. Don't just stop after a couple episodes, and I really appreciate you listening. Thank you.